Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. As Jamaica explores the possibility of going cashless, technology company Advanced Integrated Systems says it may have a solution to smoothen the transition. The details in this report. The government has been vocal about its ambition to move Jamaica into a cashless society. Already, public and private entities are ramping up their digitization strategies. They are also urging customers to become more familiar with completing online transactions. Advanced Integrated Systems is now proposing a new initiative which could remove cash from the consumer process altogether.
We are introducing, just like China, QR codes so that the higgler in Carnation Market, without having a point-of-sale terminal, can have a QR code and you can scan that code and pay that person, just like China.
The process is fairly simple, but the company notes that the success of the platform will depend on the buy-in from merchants.
We could do it for bus fares, for taxi fares, etc., etc. And the platform is ready. It is a matter of signing up with these people.
The technology firm is also removing some of the regular e-pay restrictions in an effort to promote the digitization of cash.
Most merchants will not take a debit or credit card under $500. That's because there is, in a sense, a minimum charge, and it does not suit them economically to incur that charge for transactions under $500. We have decided consciously that there will be no minimum charge.
CNWJ Cooperative Credit Union has received approval to list deferred shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. CNWJ says the approval was received from the JSE's listing committee on July 14. The credit union started the process 2 years ago, but the stock exchange raised questions that the listing might be in breach of the rules governing credit unions. In June last year, the Jamaica Stock Exchange amended its rules to allow member-based organizations to list their shares on the exchange. The shares will be listed this Friday, July 31. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar at its highest level ever in Jamaica, costing an average $148.18. The Canadian dollar is selling for $111.51. The pound sterling is going for $190.74, while the euro sells for $177.14. The JC index lost 3,833 points today, and the junior market index is down 19 points. Among the winners were Key Insurance, Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Lasco Distributors, and First Rock Capital Holdings. Now on the losing side were CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Epley, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Mayberry Investments, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.